got our perimeter nailer board in that we've ripped in half, and we've secured it in with the red heads. We're going to start dropping in our drain tiles. Now these drain tiles are 10 1/4 by 10 1/4. There's 4 of them across, so they're just under 4 by 4. So they lay in pretty quickly. What you want to do, you hook and receiver side. Over here essentially would be the receiver here. So if you look, got your receiver points there. What you want to do is you pick a pattern. So what we did is we went smooth side against the wall and smooth side against the wall. And we're running about a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch distance away from the wall. And the reason why we're doing that, this is plastic. And because it's plastic, it's susceptible to expansion and contraction due to the elements. So what you don't want to do is run this flush up against the wall. Like today, it's a bit cooler, and then it heats up and retains all that heat and it expands, and then the whole thing buckles underneath and you get a lot of waves and stuff. So you want to give yourself 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch all the way around to allow it to expand and move. So what we're going to do is just drop it in place. It's a really simple. You just push in and you hear that click, you know you've got it locked in. What you don't want to do is jam it and force it, and you don't want to bend those little prongs, because once they're bent, then it's virtually impossible to get them in and it's no good. So again, all we're doing, light pressure, you're going to hear it click. If you need to move it a little bit, you can use your palm and it'll snap into place. Now if you get a stubborn area that just doesn't want to seem to go, you can kick in backwards with your heel. That'll help close the distance. So what we're going to do now, if you've got them in place, this is obviously faster this way. You're just going to go by feel. You hear click, 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 and it's good to go. Just don't force it. So with 2-3 guys, we can lay this in really quick. So we're going to go ahead and do that.